Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you in the world of robotic vacuums and mops. We'll be comparing two top contenders, the Shark AI Ultra 2 inches 1 Robot Vacuum and Mop and the iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Let's dive right in. In terms of suction power and cleaning performance, both the Shark AI Ultra 2 inches 1 Robot Vacuum and Mop and the iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus offer powerful performance. However, the Shark AI Ultra 2 inches 1 Robot Vacuum and Mop boasts Matrix Clean technology, providing a precision cleaning experience with its matrix grid. On the other hand, the Roomba Combo J5 Plus utilizes a 4-stage cleaning system and dirt detect technology for a comprehensive clean. When it comes to mopping capabilities, both products offer impressive features. The Shark AI Ultra 2 inches 1 Robot Vacuum and Mop utilizes Sonic Mopping, scrubbing hard floors at a rapid rate. It also offers the option to activate Matrix Mop for targeted stain cleaning. Meanwhile, the Roomba Combo J5 Plus provides a specialized microfiber pad in its mop bin to tackle footprints, dirt, and dust. In terms of convenience, both products excel with their self-emptying and self-charging capabilities. The Shark AI Ultra 2 inches 1 Robot Vacuum and Mop comes with an XL HEPA self-empty base, holding up to 60 days of debris. The Roomba Combo J5 Plus, on the other hand, automatically empties its bin into an enclosed bag, giving you 2 months of worry-free cleaning. Based on online reviews, customers have praised the Shark AI Ultra 2 inches 1 Robot Vacuum and Mop for its strong suction power, effective cleaning performance, and convenient self-emptying feature. The iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus has been commended for its comprehensive cleaning capabilities, efficient mopping, and automatic bin emptying. Overall, both products have received positive feedback from customers. And there you have it, a detailed comparison between the Shark AI Ultra 2 inches 1 Robot Vacuum and Mop and the iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus. Both products offer powerful cleaning performance, advanced features, and convenient self-maintenance capabilities. Remember, the choice ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences. We hope this comparison has helped you make a more informed decision. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video on Buy Smart.